In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace wiper blades on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located on top of your windshield. Before we get started, I just want to note that if you see the driver's side windshield wiper is longer than the passenger side. Your short wiper always goes on the passenger side. Your windshield wiper has this cover that's on it. There's these two tabs right here. You just want to pinch with your fingers, pull up on that and swing it out of the way. Then take a small pick, go in your back side, and there's a little clip that you want to push down and push the wiper blade that way. And then we'll unhook from your hook. It's always good to keep a rag, that way this metal doesn't sit on top of the windshield. Not all wiper clips are the same. This one just has the hook, there's no cover. So you pull up on your wiper arm, like that, hold it, take your new wiper blade, slide it into the clip and pull towards you, and hear that little click, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.